Hi, hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to solve the challenges in data security module. And the first challenge is overview of data security. First click on that, then scroll down to the last. So here we can see that it is of quiz challenge and we are having the two questions. We need to answer for both of them. The first question is which of these features can you use to control access at the object level? So the correct answer is permission sets. And the next question is which of these is a method for controlling record level access? And the answer is organization wide defaults. So like this we answered both of the questions and finally click on this check the quiz button. So now the quiz is completed and we got the 100 points. In this video, we are going to solve the challenge 2 in data security module. And the name of the challenge is control access to the org. Click on that. Now scroll down to the last. And in this hands-on org, select it as My Trailhead Playground 1 and then click on this launch button. From here, move to the setup page. Further, click on this gear icon and then click on this setup button. The page looks like this. And the task is about creating the new user. Further, move to the setup page and in this quick find, search for user. Click on that. And from here, click on this new user button. And now add the first name as test and the last name as user. Then copy the alias from the instructions, that is test user. Replace it and then add the email. I'm adding a random email. If you want, you can add your own ones also. testuser@gmail.com. And then the username should contain this test user. So I'm just saving it as testuser@gmail.com itself. And replace this nickname as test user. And from this user license, select it as Salesforce. And from this profile, select it as minimum access Salesforce. So after writing all of these, click on this save button. So here we can see that the username is already exist. So change the username, but we should need this test user as it is. So I'm just adding some of the random numbers and again trying to click on this save button. So now the user is added successfully and the final step is the user must be inactive. But here we can see that the user is active. Further click on edit and then deselect this active checkbox. Click OK and click on this save button. So like this we created new user and the task is completed. Click on this check challenge button. So yeah, the assignment is complete and we got the 500 points. In this video, we are going to solve the challenge 3 in data security module and the name of the challenge is control access to objects. Click on that. Now scroll down to the last to see the task details. And we completed the previous challenge in this My Trailhead playground. So we need to do this challenge also in the same playground. Further, select here as My Trailhead Playground 1 and click on this launch button. Then you will be redirected to this page. From here, we need to move to the setup page. Further, click on this gear icon and then click on this setup button. Then the page looks like this. Now let's see the task. So the task is about we need to create one of the permission set and then we need to edit the object permissions for this position, and then we need to assign the permission set to the permission set group. And before we start this task, we need to check for some of the objects whether it is having or not. For that, move to the setup page and then here click on this object manager. Now in this quick find, search for position. So here we can see that there is no object named with position. So we need to create that object. Click on this launcher icon and in this search apps, search for playground starter. So here it is. Click on that. Now here click on this install a package. And then we need to paste the package ID here. So I'm adding here and I will add this package ID in the comments also, copy from there. And after adding the package ID, click on this install. Then click on this install button. So with the help of this package, we will get our necessary objects, that is position, job application and all. So that's why I'm installing this package. So here we can see that the installation completion message. So click on done. And again we redirected to this setup page and from here move to this object manager. Now again search for the position. So now you can see that the position object is available. And now let's start our task. First of all, we need to create one of the permission set. For that, in the setup page, click on this home and in this quick find, search for permission set. Click on this permission sets. Now click on this new button. Copy the label from the instructions, that is manage positions. Add it here and then click on this save button. Now click on this object settings. Then in this find settings, search for position. Click on that positions. So here we can see that positions and then click on this edit button. Now we need to select the object permissions as read, create and edit. Select those checkboxes, read, create and edit and then click on this save button. So we just added the object permissions also and then we need to add this permission set to the recruiter's permission set. So for that, in this quick find, search for permission set groups. Click on that. So here we can see that we are not having any permission set groups. So we need to create one of them also. For that, click on this new permission set group and then copy the label, that is recruiters. So copy it and then add it here. Then click on this save button. So after this permission set group is created, click on this permission sets in group. Then click on this add permission set button. Now from here, select the checkbox near to this manage positions. After selecting, click on this add button. So we can see that the manage position is added successfully. Finally, click on this done button. So the permission set is added and the task is completed. Just click on this check challenge button. So yeah, the assignment is completed and we got the 500 points. In In this video, we are going to solve the challenge 4 in data security module. And the name of the challenge is control access to fields. Click on that. Scroll down to the last to see the task details and quickly launch this hands-on org and move to this setup page. Then the page looks like this. And the task is about creating the permission set. For that, in the setup page, in this quick find, search for permission set. Click on this permission sets button. And now click on this new button. Copy the label from the instructions, that is manage job applications, and then add it here and click on this save button. Now click on this object settings and in this find settings search for job applications. So click on that job applications and then click on this edit button. Now we need to add the object permissions for read and edit only. So select the checkboxes near that read and edit. And after that click on this save button. Now we need to enable the field permissions also, and for that move to the setup page and in this object manager, in this quick find search for job applications. Click on that and from here click on this fields and relationship and then click on this candidate. Now click on this edit button. Then here deselect this required button and then click on save button. Again move to this fields and relationship and here search for positions and then click on that. Click edit and for this also deselect this required button and then click on this save button. Now move to this home and then select this permission sets and from here search for this manage job applications. Click on that and move to this object settings. In this find settings search for job applications. Click on that. Click on edit button. We need to give read access for all the objects and we don't need to give this edit access. So just click on this read access checkbox and then click on this save button. So here you can see that and the task is completed. Just click on this check challenge button. So yeah, the task is completed and we got the 500 points. In this video, we are going to solve the challenge 5 in data security module and the name of the challenge is control access to records. Click on that. Now scroll down to the last and quickly launch the hands-on org. Further click on this launch button and then from here move to this setup page. So the page looks like this. Now the task is about creating a custom object and then we need to configure the organization-wide default sharing settings. So let's start with creation of custom object. Copy the label that is referral. And in this setup page, click on this object manager and then click on this create button and then select here as custom object. Now paste the label which we copied earlier and then Again paste the label in the plural also and just add S at the end and just click on this save button. Now we need to configure the organization wide sharing settings. So for that click on this home button and in this quick find search for sharing settings. Click on that and then click on this edit button. Just scroll down to the last and in this referral just deselect this checkbox and then change this as private. Click on save button. So just check whether it is changed or not. So here we can see that it is not changed yet. So for that reason, just refresh the page and then again click on this edit. So here we are having the warning message that is one or more sharing operations has been initiated. So we need to wait until those are completed. So just click on this cancel button and then just wait for some time and again click on this refresh button. So the warning is now removed. Again click on this edit and then scroll down to the last and yeah, those are selected. Just click on this save button. Check once again whether it is selected or not. Yes, they were changed. So move to the instructions page and then click on this check challenge button. So yeah, the task is completed and we got the 500 points. In this video, we are going to solve the challenge 6 in data security module. And the name of the challenge is create a role hierarchy. Click on that. Scroll down to the last and quickly launch the hands-on org. So click on launch button and then you will be redirected to here. From this, click on this gear icon and then click on this setup button. Then the page looks like this. Now the task is about creating the recruiting manager role. For that, move to the setup page and in this quick find search for roles. ROLES. Click on that. Just checkbox this, don't show this space again and then click on this setup roles button. So just click on this expand all button and then here search for VP Human Resources. So for me that role is not available. So I'm just creating that one. To create that, just click on this add role near to the CEO. So click on this add role and then copy the label that is VP Human Resources and then add it here. This role reports to should be CEO. Just select that and then click on this save button. So again move to these roles. Again click on this setup roles and just scroll down to the last and here we can see that VP Human Resources is added. Now let's start the task. That is we need to create the recruiting manager role. Copy the label and then move to the setup page and click add role near to this VP Human Resources. Then paste the label here. And this role reports should be VP Human Resources. Click on save button. Then again move to these roles. Again click on this setup roles. Just scroll down to the last. So the recruiting manager is added successfully. And the last role to be added is recruiter. Just copy the label. Move to the setup page. and click on this add role near to the recruiting manager. Paste the label here and this role report should be recruiting manager and click on this save button. So again click on this roles, click on setup roles, just scroll down to the last and we can see that the 3 roles are added successfully. So move to the instructions page and click on this check challenge button. So yeah, the task is completed and we got the 500 points. In this video, we are going to solve the last challenge in data security module. And the name of the challenge is define sharing rules. Click on that. Scroll down to the last and launch the hands-on org. So click on launch button. Then you will be redirected here. Then click on this gear icon and then click on this setup button. So the setup page looks like this. Now the task is about creating a custom field for this program object. For that, move to the setup page and then here click on this object manager and in this quick find search for program. For me, the program object is not available, so I am creating the new one. For that, click on this create button and then click on this custom object. Now copy the label, that is program, from the instructions and add it here. Add the plural label as programs. Just add S at the end and then click on this save button. Now click on this fields and relationship and then click on this new and here select the data type as pick list. Then click on new next button. Copy the label from the instructions, that is type. Add it here and from this value select it as enter values with each value separated by a new line. Copy the values from the instructions, that is campus outreach, development and research. Add it here. Then click on next button. And from this field level security, select the checkbox near to this visible and click on next. Just click on this save button. So the type field is created successfully and then we need to create the sharing rule for this program object. For that, in the setup page, move to this home page and in this quick find search for sharing rules, that is sharing settings. Click on that sharing settings and from here scroll down to the last and search for the program sharing rules. So here it is, program sharing rules. Just click on new button and copy the label, that is campus outreach programs. Then add it here. Then here select it as based on criteria. And then the field is type and the operator is equals and the value is campus outreach. So select the operator as equals and select the value as campus outreach and click on this insert selected button. And in this step 4, select the share with as roles. Then select here as recruiter. And finally, the access level should be read or write. So select here as read or write. So like this, we created the sharing rule. Click on this save button. Then click on this OK. So just scroll down to the last and check whether it is created or not. So here we can see that a sharing rule operation is currently in progress. So wait until it is completed. and just click on this refresh button to see whether it is created or not. Scroll down and then check. So yeah, it is created successfully. So move to the instructions page and then click on this check challenge button. So like this, we completed the whole data security module without any errors. And do check out our channel Education Matters for more super batch answers and module answers. And please share our channel with your friends. It will help them too. And if you are having any errors, you can comment us or you can send a message to our Telegram channel also. We will try to help you. That's it. Thank you.